somebody that doesn't know how to drive in the snow. He's like, you don't slow down going up a hill. Good grief. Quite remarkable what a couple of miles difference it can be in the amount of snow coming down at this point. We've got, a couple of inches of snow on the ground here up in Harpers Ferry. So we'll pull off over into here. Want to get a couple of photos with my SLR. You see the road conditions obviously a lot worse than they were a couple miles back over in Maryland. Civil War Park up here on the left-hand side, Bolivar Heights. That'd probably be kind of a fun drive up to the top there on a snowy day like this. Looks like some people have made it. If I had a four-wheel drive, I'd probably do the same thing. Probably get some great photos up there today. I mean, remarkable, no doubt. I mean, here it is, the end of October. I mean, we just don't get this type of snow in October. Got some people walking their dog on the left-hand side there. Yeah, so this is Bolivar Heights. It's basically a town. It's kind of attached, connected a little bit to Harpers Ferry itself. A couple of restaurants up here. Summertime, it's fairly busy. People park up here, and then they'll walk down the big hill down into Harpers Ferry itself, into the historic area. Kid riding on his bicycle out here today. It's pretty funny. The Anvil restaurant here on the left-hand side. Been in there a couple times. Steaks are pretty good. I think they have a couple of slot machines. Now, I'm not so sure about driving down the hill here. If I go down here, I may not be getting back up. As you can see, the road conditions, things are a lot more snow covered at this point. So I find a kind of a good place to turn around here. Got some guy coming up here. He's walking in almost in the middle of the road. It's not terribly smart. She was a girl. Hard to tell. Amazing, 70 degrees a week ago, and everybody's out in shorts. Now here we are today, winter coats, and the car thermometer says 32 degrees. But it is what it is. Haven't seen too many trees down, but there's one actually right there, right in front of us there. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of turn around here. But you can kind of get an idea. Again, pretty remarkable for October 29th. It looks more like a mid-January, or an early February type of day as opposed to October, but that's what makes weather fun sometimes. Just passed a guy, he's actually got skis. That's funny. see here, kind of a little bit of a back road right here. A lot of snow on the road itself. I think what I'll do is go across Route 340 there, park in the upper Harpers Ferry parking lot, grab a couple of photos. The traffic light seems to be behaving a little funny. Yeah, it might be a little dicey going across here right now. This guy go through. Yeah, it's like the traffic light lost power there for a moment, so I bet, you know, some of the trees, you know, the weight of the snow, I mean, you know, trees still have a lot of leaves on them, I mean, at least this time yesterday. So we'll turn around up here and kind of, we'll start to go back back east towards Maryland. Going actually into the Shenandoah Valley. Pretty amazing. This, you know, this side of that, you know, I hate to call it a mountain, but yeah, you get over on this side. I mean, it's quite a bit different. You know, a lot more snow. Snow's coming down heavier. Roads, you know, definitely not so great. I mean, this is Route 340. I mean, it's a 4-lane highway. You know, this goes all the way out to Charlestown. I had a flea market on the left-hand side there. It says open Saturday and Sunday, but nobody's over there today. Can't say I blame them. Newer housing development here on the right-hand side. I can't really see with the camera, but I guess what we'll do here is turn around. Can't cross over the median right there, so we'll kind of cut up through here and make a U-turn.